Some shops will charge you over $1,000 to ceramic coat your car when you could just do it yourself for a fraction of the price. And now let's pressure wash this car and restore this crystal white pearl paint. This car was extremely dirty and getting all the dirt off this white paint was extremely satisfying. Next, I got my foam cannon and heavily coated this car everywhere with soap. Then using a microfiber wash mitt, I scrubbed the car. And doing this by hand rather than just pressure washing the soap off gets all the dirt that's really stuck to the paint to come off. After that, I pressure washed all the soap off the car, and already this car is looking 10 times better than before. Dare I say, brand new. I then took my drying towel and dried the whole car, including the wheels, which is super important to not create water spots all over them. And lastly, I shined the tires with a tire shine. Now that that's done, let's move on to my favorite step and most important step to restoring this paint, ceramic coating. I personally go with these Avalon King kits because I find them to be the easiest and they give the best results. And applying these kits are super easy. You just grab this application pad and soak it in the ceramic coating. I'm first going to be starting with the driver's side door.
First of all, you spread the ceramic coating in a cross-hatch pattern in order to ensure even coverage. Then let it sit for 1 to 5 minutes. Once you see a rainbow-like haze forming, then you buff it off, and it's easy as that.
I then moved to the hood, doing the exact same thing and then doing this to the rest of the car. This not only makes your paint shine more, but it protects your paint from rock chips and most importantly prevents dirt and water from sticking to it. For example, here is my Civic. You can see how water just puddles on the car and it's just plain ugly. It's just gonna leave watermarks. And here is 2 days after I ceramic coated the Subaru. You can see the water is beaded up on it after it rains, and when I throw water on it, it beads up and flows right off, leaving no watermarks at all. I went ahead and did the rear windshield, not the front yet because it's still cracked, and 48 hours later, look how easy this water flows off the glass. But my favorite part of all this has to be what it does to the plastic trim pieces. As you can see here, it makes this piece look so dark going from this to this. Actually, such a big difference. Some shops will charge you over $1,000 to ceramic coat your car when you could just do it yourself for a fraction of the price. And this car turned out looking amazing. Seriously, this thing looks like it just rolled off the lot.